Sir, we're running out of time. We need to assemble the team.
And who do we have available?
Well, this is who we have.
First up, Lampshade, aka Lamp. Ability, ambience, of providing light in dark areas. 80% of crimes do happen at night. Very true.
You're welcome.
Next, What? Aka Potluck. Ability to chirp or insult at will. What? Apparently he made a man cry from whistling. Also says he makes a mean roast.
We need him.
What? 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 Last but not least, Average Joe, aka Joe. Ability blank. Blank? Yeah man, he left it blank. He must be real good. Interesting. We just might actually have a chance. Why am I good at nothing? The hope for mankind are in the hands of these select few. May God help us all.
Sir! We had one more! Yeah? And who's that?
Captain Marvel.
Your team's just too trash. I'll assemble mine. And as always, peace!